What is up, YouTube? Ruben here today. It's not going to be your usual tech video, usual review. We're actually doing an unboxing video of the HP Stream 14. And if you don't know what model it is, if the camera will focus, and no it doesn't. It's the HP Stream 14-FQ0037NR. So yeah, let's get this thing unboxed, which I actually opened it up before, obviously, to set up the computer. Now the first thing you're gonna see is this. Well, let's start off with the stuff you will get. First, you'll get the charger. Of course, it's in here. The laptop is right here. Kind of bulged for some reason. And then let's go through the box. Now here are the specs. Here's a 14-inch touchscreen display, so that's nice. It has an AMD dual-core processor. It's an 8320. I had to take a look at the side. Let's see. Yep. No, actually, the HP 3020E APU, so it has HD graphics built into the CPU. And of course, it's a Radeon. So it's basically an APU. It has 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigabytes of eMMC storage. It is an SSD. It also has a multi-format SD card reader, and it has Windows 10 Home in S mode. Now, if you don't know what S mode is basically a configuration of Windows 10 that replaced Windows 10 S, which basically stands for store. What you do with Windows 10 S is you can only install apps from the Microsoft Store. And if you switch out of S mode, you cannot go back. Now, when you switch out of S mode, of course you can install any app you like Google Chrome, VLC, or whatever. It is thin and light and has of course, with the AMD processor, and has a long-lasting battery life, and the charger has HP fast charge technology. And here's what the photo looks like. And going to the sides, of course, you got the specs. Like I already mentioned, you can pause the video for that. And of course, all those things you would need. On the back side of the box, you get the battery recycling information, well, the warning. And of course, the HP 14 laptop, technically a Stream. And here are 3 photos of the laptop, showing the front, probably the side, and the back. And of course, you can read all that. And it does have Microsoft 365, which includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and 1 terabyte of OneDrive storage. Subscription activation required within 6 months of Windows activation date. And then on this side, of course, you'll get some information, along with a QR code hidden right there. And of course, the model number and such, along with the product number and stuff like that. Now, let's get through the unboxing. First, we gotta open that, which I already did, like I said, to set up the computer. Now, the first thing you'll notice is the charger. Here's a charger. It is a 45 watt. And inside that bag, you get the cord, and we actually have this. If you don't know what it is, that's actually how you can get cable management. And also inside the bag is actually the power brick to charge the laptop. Now, it is a 45 watt HP power brick. So it's kind of it's kind of considered normal for this laptop. If you want more wattage, you can get like a 60 watt, or just go with the Best Buy Insignia model, which goes up to 90 watts. And now, the behemoth right there. And I'm gonna need 2 hands for that. Actually, I can use this just by putting the box between my 2 legs, of course. And then you got the actual laptop. I have to remember how it goes. Now the first thing you'll notice inside the package is, of course, the warranty and the setup instructions, along with some paperwork with the laptop, including what you got on the laptop and how to set it up. Now let's open up the package. So first off is your HP hardware limited warranty. It is 1 year limited warranty, so there you go. The next thing you will see is the setup instructions, which is how you set up the computer. And also you got your questions about your product. And also you got the specs of the laptop, or what you got on the laptop. And now, the moment of truth. The actual laptop itself. Now let's open it up. So here it is, the HP Stream 14. And now, we gotta open it up, but before we do that, I'm gonna go through what it has. So, right here we got the ports right here. You got microphone, USB Type-C, 2 USB 3.0 ports, HDMI, and the power brick. The power outlet. Back, just nothing. And on the right, you got the microwave. We got the SD card reader, along with the hard drive indicator, which of course has an SSD and does not light up. You need a hard drive for that, or SD card. And then you got the power indicator. And on the bottom, like you will get, we got your product number, the model number right there, as maybe you'll tell, your warranty, and all the other crap that you got. And now, we gotta open this up. Let's put that on the table. Now let's open it up, which you got the protective cover when you open it. I need 2 hands for that. And now let's clear off that cover. And there you go. We got the actual laptop itself. Let's go ahead and turn it on. So like I said, it's running Windows 10 Home in F mode, and this is running version 2009, or simply 20H2. It's running the October 2020 update. And if you don't know when it was made in 2020. Somewhere in May or June 2020. This is a second revision, which will have version 2009. The original one will come with version 2004. I will do the full review of this laptop, which will do the same thing with the unboxing video that I'm recording right now, but it's going to be an in-depth video of this laptop. And of course, it's because of touchscreen, I can actually use the touch keyboard. about my PC. And let's close that. As you can see, these are the specs. It also has Radeon graphics, which is 512 megabytes. And again, it's running Windows 10 Home in S mode, version 20H2. And it is a touchscreen, so yeah. And this is what you get when you first set it up, but I actually removed some icons that I don't use. Well, the pinned apps that I don't use. So yeah. Well, that's it for the unboxing video. So thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon when I upload new videos. And also follow me on Twitter at RubenUpDeep17 or Instagram Ruben the Transit Fan or Ruben's Transit Hub. There will be a review video coming soon for this laptop, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be an in-depth video, so yeah. Well, I'll go ahead and end the video now, so I'll see you next time.